Hi, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my soups series. This lesson is my sister Cathy's white bean chicken chili, which I love. She uses chicken breasts as I use here. You can also use chicken thighs, smoked chicken breasts or thighs, or a combination of the two, or even pulled pork. If you use store-bought cooked beans, use cannellini, Great Northern, or Navy, or any other white bean, preferably organic, which have less sodium, or no salt added beans. For the chilies, use New Mexico Hatch Green Chiles if you can find them, which are the best. A can is okay. So let's start cooking. All right, the first thing we're going to do is steam our chicken pieces, and they've been cut into pieces that are about a ½ inch. You could do them a little bit bigger if you like something chunkier. You could also boil this chicken, but boiling will remove some of the flavor from the chicken. It's like when you make stock, right? So I'm going to steam the chicken until it's just cooked through, which will probably be about 10 minutes. Okay, now we're going to sweat our onions, and we're going to do that in about roughly 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Bring the heat up to medium. Add our onions. I'm going to sweat them until they are translucent. Okay, mix them up a little bit, get them coated. It'll take 2 or 3 minutes depending on your heat. While they're sweating, let's add a little bit of salt lightly. You can always add more. Can't take it away. And we're going to use ground white pepper. Why white? If we use black, that would leave black flecks in the stew or the chili. Okay. And again, we're just going to use that lightly. Ground white pepper goes a long way, so don't use too much of it. We can always add more. Okay. Okay, the onions are nice and translucent. Now we're going to add in the flour, stirring as we add it, okay? And what we want to do is also add the garlic powder and stir it so that it's all mixed with the onions. And then stir it and cook it for about 2 minutes. This cooks away the floury taste. Okay, we've been cooking the flour and stirring for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add the beans. And try to get some of this liquid out of the bowl here, okay? And then we're going to add the Hatch Green Chiles. And the chicken stock. I have separate lessons on making chicken stock, okay? Stir that up. Now what we want to do is bring this to a boil. So I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit. And bring to a boil doesn't mean boil. Just as you get to a boil, we're going to reduce to a simmer. Okay? Okay, we're starting to get some bubbles. What we're going to do is stir it up a bit and reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. While it's simmering, stir it every now and then to help thicken it up. It shouldn't get real thick. We just want it to get a little bit heavier and velvety. Okay. Okay, we've been simmering about 10 minutes. Let's add the chicken pieces. They steamed for 10 minutes and they are cooked through. Let's just stir it up, get them mixed in. And then we're going to let that simmer for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then you can serve it. Or you could keep it warm and serve it later. You could put it in the fridge and serve it tomorrow. Okay. Okay, we've been simmering about 2 or 3 minutes. That was really just to heat up this chicken, okay? And now we want to taste it and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Let's see how it tastes. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of salt. It doesn't need any pepper, mainly because it has those green chilies in there, okay? Now we're going to stir that up. Taste it again. Perfect. Okay, now you can serve it now or keep it warm until you're ready to serve. Okay, let's plate up. First, we're going to put a little bit of sour cream in the bottom of the bowl. You can put as much as you want. That's like a little over a tablespoon. And like they say, everything's better with a dollop of daisy. And then we're going to ladle in the chili. Try to get a nice amount of chicken. And then we're going to garnish with the Mexican blend of cheese. So there we have it, my sister Cathy's white bean chicken chili. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.